The magic of scalping. Okay, this is after the fact, but what I'm going to do in this video is show you my process of taking trades this morning in the Asian session. So that's the Asia Open. I kicked off around here and I got involved with these trades. Live trading. Just to show you how easy this is, all you've got to do with this system is wait for, I mean, look at the candle colors. When green turns red and red turns green, let's just keep it really simple. Green turns, well, it turns green. Red turns green. Buy. Green turns red. Sell. Red turns green. Buy. That's it, guys. That's all there is to it. Doesn't get any easier than that. So what I'll do in the video is we'll go back in time and I'll walk you through my thought process while this is unfolding and all the crazy stuff that goes on in your mind. Okay, so yeah, here it is. Live trading, scalping gold, NASDAQ, and the S&P 500 today, Asian session. And you can just repeat this every day. London session, New York session, it's exactly the same thing. After the session over, or around the session time, look for these. Okay, so here it is. Enjoy. All right, short gold based on this signal, 1, 2, 3, and that hashtag red candle. Let's see how we go. The only thing with this is it's traveling above VWAP and it could hold above VWAP. So it could just be looking to do that. Right, that's the risk. Now I'm also short the rest of these things as well. NES, based on this signal here, we have red candles, but it's just a little bit up and down at the moment. And I'm also short the other one as well. I'm short everything at the moment. But what I'm hoping for is that this is overextended and we'll get a bit of a pullback. So I'm in 3 trades. Quite a lot going on. There they are, running negative. I was up $100 this morning. Now I'm sort of, hovering around break even. See how we go. Yeah, that's kind of nice. So we got a P signal here, flashing on and off, telling us that there's definitely bearish momentum. I like what I'm seeing here with gold at the moment. So we should see a bit of movement here. Usually when we get a P signal, it hangs in there for a bit. Especially when it's backed up with these down the bottom. So we'll see how we go. So we got the red signals kicking in here. See how we got a red hashtag here, and this is heading down. All right, so that's giving me a little bit of confidence. MES, we've got this red is quite good, and this red signal here, although it's kind of pulled back. See how we're traveling. Yeah, just hovering around, slightly negative, I guess. Just got to be patient with it. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just relying on my red signals here. So what we got, see the red hashtag and the break under VWAP, that's on MNQ. See how we got the hashtag and this is trending down here. And we got these red signals here, right? So I'm running on that. Gold, I'm running on these breaks here, this P signals, this red signal. So, I'm getting bearish, definitely getting bearish signals. MES, bearish. Right, MNQ, red hashtag, bearish. You can see red. We just got to hang in there. We just want these to turn green. Yeah, it wants to. There's definitely green momentum. Okay, here we go. I've got signals going off now. All right. See the red. See how it's you got the red candles kicking in here. Gold. Okay, we got the red signals kicking in. So all you got to do is just let it run. So green turns red, go with it. I'll show you this, guys. Look, green turns red, and with gold, okay, red turns green. That's 200 ticks, $200. Green turns red. Okay, I got in a little bit late with that, but never mind. Turns red. There's another $180 there. Red turns green. That's 230 ticks, $230. Right. So just trust the system. Now we've got all this red momentum, but we just run with it. Got to be patient. Check on gold. Okay, starting to, it's just hovering around break even. They all are. Here we go. There's a bit of bearish momentum, so I'm just really relying on these red signals here. MNQ, it's bearish, you can see it's red. MNQ, what's the story? Okay, red. The candles are red. Running with that. Okay, there's your signal. Gold, follow the signals, guys. See, it's red. MES. So what I've done is I've opened three of these positions, and it's just a matter of like, grab your money and run. So I'm up 50, 60, 70, 80. I was up 100. I want to be $200. There you go. So that's kind of my target. I'm just going to bail now, and who knows? I mean, that could travel way further down, but let's just take your money and run. MNQ. I don't have a problem with that at all. So today I'm up, 213. Nice. So that's scalping. Just, that's probably going to give me a bit more, but there's a kids' party going on in the background, and I want to take it a bit easy. Okay. So a quick $200 just based on some of these. I mean, could wait for another signal, but yeah, just following this. I mean, see how the candles have turned red. Well, you could wait for the candles to turn green and take the next green. So they turn green, buy. They turn red, sell. Just at the session open. Anyway, that's just a quick look at the scalping. Quick scalp, in and out, and a quick $200. I mean, look, I could be trading with a lot more risk or a lot more position size, but I don't. And here's the secret: grow your account with conservative risk and be consistent with that. Once you start piling in with big contracts or big lot sizes, you get emotional, and that's where you lose control, and you get emotionally involved. You just keep chipping away, just keep taking 20, 40 ticks off at a time and build your account. I'm happy. $200 today. Asian session open. All right, guys. Take it for a trial run. It's a 7-day free trial, and just trade a 2-minute chart around the Asian session, or London, New York, whichever, and just run with the candle color changes here. That's all you got to do. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.